How to split screen on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open any application you want to split screen of. Open the application, then simply open all the tabs in this way. After you've done that, hold on to the tab and you will find split screen option at the bottom. Click on split screen. After that, with which tab you want to split screen, you can swipe and select the one you prefer. Simply click on it to select. And as you can see, you can use both the app with split screen option. And this is how to split screen on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.